Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on TikTok. So to turn off comments on TikTok for a video, open TikTok and click your profile in the bottom right corner. Then select the video. Once you selected the video, tap the three dots at the bottom right corner. Now from the options, so at the bottom, look for privacy settings and select that. Now once you're here at the bottom, you can see allow comments. So turn allow comments off. And once you do that, no one will be able to comment on that video. And that's it, super simple. You can also change the setting in here to who can watch this video. You can select friends only or only you. So again, open the video, then click the three dots at the bottom right corner, then look for privacy settings, then turn allow comments off. If you're posting a new video, so you can create your video as usual, then on the final post screen, you can tap more options and toggle allow comments off, then post the video. If you want to limit comments instead of disabling them completely, you can go to your profile, then go to the three-line menu in the top right corner, go to settings and privacy. So once you're here, scroll down to interactions, and right here you can see comments. Click on that. So click allow comments from. So choose who can comment, such as friends or followers, depending on your account type, or enable comment filters. And that's it. Thank you for watching.